I think wetlands are really cool. If you have one that is close to a river or a stream, they're holding water out of those streams and rivers. We call them nature sponges. They hold an incredible amount of water and then either slowly release it into the streams and rivers or into the groundwater.
When we have healthy ecosystems, that improves the water quality as well. It limits erosion, it stops sediment from entering our waterways as well as other pollutants.
We've really destroyed about 90% or more of our wetlands in Indiana. It happened and most people haven't noticed and aren't aware. You know, it's like a lot of things with nature, we just took it too far. We've just pushed it to the brink, and now it's time to kind of fight back for nature and learn how to restore wetlands and learn how to put these ecosystems back on the landscape.
Invasive species can so rapidly overtake an area. Those are things you want to get in and maintain as soon as possible.
I will visit an area and inventory all the plant species that grow there, specifically inventory all the invasive plants. And I will use a GPS unit to locate these plants so I can take them back and map them on a GIS program.
We've had a lot of ash die off here, so if you look up in the canopy, you'll see the dead standing trees. So that's why we are trying to plant back in this area so we can get some canopy in the future.
Once people get out to these places, they really kind of awaken and be like, they feel different. I usually try to talk to people about what matters to them in their life, and there's a way to connect that to wetlands.